Hello everyone, welcome to the course overview of product management. This is a certification course on product management, one of its kind, to ensure that you have a very high growth career in product management. But before we get into the nitty-gritties, let us try to understand why should you be taking this course. Now, before we move ahead, let us ask a few questions from you and let's see if these questions excite you. First question is, does setting a product vision and strategy excite you? When I say product, it could be a technology product, it could be a platform, it could be a website, it could be any physical product. But does setting a product vision and strategy for whatever product you have, does that excite you to formulate a long-term strategy for it, to formulate a vision for it, and then to decide what should be the features of the product which you are given the responsibility for? Does deciding product features is something which excites your brain, which excites you as a person, as a project on which you want to work? And once you know the product vision, you know the product strategy, you know the product features, does integrating everything with a lot of stakeholders involved, a lot of people involved, the lot of data coming in involved, the processes which are being set up, and a lot of business related systems which you need to ensure to be in place for a product. Does working on all of them excite you? And last but not the least, forecasting of the product's demand, marketing of the product to ensure that whatever forecast has been done, that is achieved by the marketing initiatives. Does all these things excite you? Moreover, all these things can be put together under a single umbrella of what, why, and when of a product. Does what, why, and when of a product is something you want to work on? It is something which excites you. If yes, then what should be the profile you should be looking for? In that case, the profile which you should be looking for to work is product management. That is one role, that is the only role, in fact, in any organization which takes care of what, why, when of a product to make it a successful product for any organization. What is product management? Let's try to have a very quick overview. Product management's traditional definition is it is an organizational life cycle function within a company dealing with the planning, forecasting, production, marketing of a product. That is starting from the initiation of the product, starting from the genesis stage of the product. That is planning, forecasting, production, marketing of a single product or a group of products at all the stages of the product life cycle is nothing but product management. It is basically a end-to-end life cycle function within an organization which takes care of the entire spectrum of the product's life. And as a product manager, you are supposed to ensure to take a good care of the product across the stages of its life cycle. This is what the traditional definition of product management says. Now, what does it take to be a product manager? Or say, why should you be a product manager? As a product manager, the reason you should be taking up this role is you would be getting to work on product strategy. That is one of the most coveted profiles to be working in any organization. Second is, after you set up the product strategy, to achieve it, you frame the entire roadmap for the given product. And once the roadmap is set, you are the one who would be working on product features, you would be the one who would be working on the entire product line. Virtually, if I can say, you would be the CEO of the product for which you are the product manager. As a product manager, you are no less than the CEO of the product you are working on. So, if all these things in terms of the strategic leadership and the responsibilities excite you, then yes, you need to be the product manager. You need to work towards becoming the product manager, and that is where this course is going to help you. And why is this the most coveted profile? This is the most coveted profile because you work very closely with the CXOs of the organization alongside the top leadership, and product manager is any organization, be it startups or corporates, is a top leadership role where you act as the CEO of the product, as we have mentioned earlier as well. Moreover, the average salary of a product manager with 1 to 2 years of experience is approximately 96,000 USD annually, and in India it is approximately 65 lakhs average salary for a person who is an effective product manager with approximately 2 years of industry experience. So this is what is the potential of the role. This is what makes product manager one of the most coveted profiles in any organization to look forward to. And this is the right time for you to get into to ace the growth, to be the product manager. This is the time when the industry is growing. This is the time when you should be taking up more and more responsibilities strategically for the organization. And yes, this is the time you should be learning product management as a skill set. You should be acing product management as a core value which you bring to the table, and be able to build a high growth career for yourself. And it would be a career where every day you are going to grow business for the product you are working on, and you will be spending a good amount of energy on understanding customers for your product, bringing in those customer insights to enhance the value of the product, to enhance uh, the growth of the product. And that is where you get to challenge yourself each and every day when you are working as a product manager. Now, having understood why is it important to be a product manager, if you are looking for some of the most challenging areas to work on, let's see how this course is going to help you. This course consists of 14 hours of e-learning on product management, which would be coupled by a simulation project. Then you will be getting approximately 100 questions to practice on product management. And at the end, you would be taking a test, you will be earning a certificate, and be a pro degree holder in product management. And all this would lead you to an assured product manager job interview with us, and we are sure that you would be able to crack that interview and get a product manager job. So yes, this is the course you should be the part of. This is the profile you should be looking forward to. This is a skill set which you should be enhancing over the period of next 1 to 2 months, and that is where you should be the part of this course on product management. So start now your learning for product management certification. We look forward to interact with all of you throughout the course. Thank you everyone.